How to set up Coinbase Wallet extensions. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Google Chrome Store. Head over to the very first site, Chrome Web Store. It will land you on this interface. At the left side of your screen, in the search bar, search for Coinbase Wallet. Different extensions will be available to you. Click on the very first one, Coinbase Wallet extension. It will land you on this interface. What you want to do is click on Add to Brave. Once you have added to Brave, you will be landing on this interface. Click on Create New Wallet. You have to create your username. Enter any of the username that you prefer. After that, click on this checkbox and click on Submit. Over here it says, save these dual words to a password manager or write down and store it in a secure place. Do not share it with anyone, which means that you have to keep this password secured. Once you have copied, click on this checkbox and then click on Continue. Now you have to verify that you have saved your seed phrase by clicking on the first and last word. Once you have clicked on it, click on Submit. You have to create a new password. First of all, enter the password and then re-enter it. After that, click on this checkbox and click on Submit. Well, it says your wallet is ready. Now if you click on this icon at the top right, you will be able to see that your Coinbase Wallet extension has been added successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can set up Coinbase Wallet extensions. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And thank you for watching it till the end.